Hello everybody, welcome back to the Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily change the power consumption display setting on your Suzuki. So I am on a Suzuki EV Terra. Here, what are we going to do is we're going to go over into settings, go to vehicle settings, and here we want to switch from exterior to interior because it's inside. We want to go over and tap on the meter display, and here we have the power consumption display. So we can easily change it from overall to link to trip A and also the trip. So here you guys can change it. And of course, for me, I like the overall option, but you guys can basically select anything. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and leave a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.